Good day, class. I'm Ma'am Nicole, your science teacher today. Our lesson is about characteristic of weather. What is weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. It describes whether the atmosphere is hot or cold, wet or dry, calm or stormy, clear or cloudy, windy or still. The Philippines has two main monsoon seasons. The first one is southwest monsoon or habagat, bring heavy rain, happens from May to October. Areas like Metro Manila and Western Luzon can get flooded because of too much rain and not enough drainage. The second is northeast monsoon or amihan, bring cooler and drier air, makes the weather feel fresher and more comfortable. The Philippines is affected by the El Niño Southern Oscillation (ENSO), which causes changes in sea temperatures. In El Niño, warmer sea surface temperature can lead to drought, water shortages, and crop failures. In La Niña, cooler sea surface temperature can cause flooding and disrupt agriculture. Why is studying weather important? First, keep us safe. Knowing the weather help us prepare for storm, strong winds, or extreme heat. We can bring an umbrella or stay indoors when needed. Second, help us plan. We can pick the right clothes, jacket, or t-shirt and decide if it's a good day to play outside or stay indoors. Third, protects nature. Farmers and fishers need weather updates to take care of crops and animals. Fourth, save lives. Weather warming help people prepare for typhoons, floods, and other disasters. Basic characteristic of weather. Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere at a particular time and place, and it is determined by several key characteristics. These include temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, precipitation, cloudiness, and visibility. Air temperature is a measure of how hot or cold the air is. It is the most commonly measured weather parameter. More specifically, temperature describes the kinetic energy or energy of motion of the gases that make up air. As gas molecules move more quickly, air temperature increases. Air pressure shows how much air is present in a particular area. Changes in air pressure can lead to changes in the weather. Wind speed and direction indicates how fast and from where the wind is blowing. Wind can come from different directions depending on the current weather. Humidity shows how moist the air is. In the Philippines, humidity is often high, especially in coastal areas and urban centers. Rainfall indicates the descent of water from the sky. In the Philippines, there are two main rainy seasons, the southwest monsoon or habagat and the northeast monsoon or amihan. Cloud cover shows how much of the sky is covered by clouds. There are times when cloud cover may be low, while at the other time the sky may be full of clouds. Different types of weather instrument. Thermometer. These tell us how hot or cold the air is. You might see one outside your house or in your classroom. Barometer. These measure air pressure. When air pressure is high, the weather is usually sunny. When it's low, it might rain or storm. Rain gauge. This is like a cup that collects rain to measure how much has fallen. More rain in the gauge means heavier rainfall. Wind vane or weather vane. This shows where the wind is coming from. If the arrow points north, the wind is coming from the north. Hygrometer. This checks humidity or how much water is in the air. High humidity can make it feel sticky and hot. Psychrometer. This also measures humidity but uses two thermometers, one dry and one wet. The difference in temperature tells how humid the air is. Weather balloon. A weather balloon is a big balloon that goes up into the sky to check the weather. It measures temperature, wind, and air pressure to help predict the weather. Weather satellite. These are in space and take pictures of clouds, storms, and other weather patterns. They help predict hurricane and typhoons. Okay, let's try this. Direction. Read and encircle the correct answer. Number 1. Cloud cover is A. The amount of cloud in the sky. B. The thickness of the ozone layer. C. The number of stars visible at night. D. The brightness of the moon. What do you think the right answer? Correct. Letter A. Number 2. Humidity refers to A. The amount of water vapor in the air. B. The amount of dust particles in the air. C. The amount of sunlight in the atmosphere. D. The amount of oxygen in the air. What do you think is the right answer? Correct. Letter A. Number 3. Rainfall is measured in A. Pounds per square inch. B. Inches or millimeters. C. Degrees Celsius. D. Liters per cubic meter. What do you think is the answer? That's correct. Letter B. Thank you for listening.